Hi guys. So in the previous video I show you why it's important to learn French, but now it's important to practice, because when you learn a language it's useless if you're not trying to practice it. A language, a living language, is, as its name, it's living. That means you need to practice it. So for this video I will give you some real basics stuff. For example, if you want to say hello, you will say bonjour. Bonjour is a word that you can say any time on the day. We say bonjour. We say bonjour, comment ça va? That means hello, how are you? And we usually reply ça va, okay. That means I'm fine, okay, and you? So that's different than in English. We don't have a good morning and good afternoon and so on. We just have bonjour, means hello anytime on the day. And for example, for when it's after 6 p.m. we can say bonsoir. It's the equivalent of good evening. But you can also say bonjour if you want, nobody cares. So that's really easy, isn't it? So if you want to improve, you can say your name. For example, you want to say my name is. In French you will say je m'appelle. Literally that means I'm called, and you say your name. For example, je m'appelle Laurent, my name is Laurent. So you know how to say hello, you know how to present yourself. Usually when you meet someone new, if you are polite, you say nice to meet you. So nice to meet you is, in one word in French, is enchanté. But you can also say, if you want to make some difference, you can say ravi de te rencontrer. It's closer than nice to meet you. It's a proper one. Okay, so if we summarize what we have learned, we can say bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va, ok. Je m'appelle Laurent, et toi? Ok, ravi de te rencontrer. So that means hello, how are you doing? I'm okay, fine, and you? My name is Laurent, and nice to meet you. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe if you like it. Do not hesitate to like the video, and see you in the next video for more new French content.